Away they go. Cool reception fast to begin Andorra. Italia racing on the outside. Storm play strike force Ano Foes. Nose west flight attendant. Cool reception by Hapaland followed by Andorra in second by Darrell. Italia racing on the outside third and running forward by about 3 lines. Storm play. Inside the last 700, Andorra, cool reception. Italia racing on the outside, third Storm play racing in fourth. Strike force flight attendants, unopposed nose west. As they race the last 500, Andorra, followed by cool reception. It's Andorra, cool reception, getting closer in second. Italia and Storm play by Darrell as they race the last 250. Andorra, cool reception on the outside. It's still Andorra, followed by cool reception. Storm play down on the inside, moving up flight attendant. And finally, Andorra, number 4, second, cool reception. Storm play, Italia, flight attendant, unopposed, nose west, and Strike force comes last.